Hello everyone. Things are coming up and shaping up nicely. The sun's doing its job here. You can see we got quite a bit of snow. Got my handy dandy tape measure, and oh, that's 11. Okay. Well, that's what they got at KCI also. Nothing official here, but you know, with the blowing snow, I mean, the sun's worked on this a little bit, melted and packed it in a little. So who knows? It may have been 12 inches, but that snow blown out, that's the sidewalk or front walkway, so they can get to my mailbox. Somewhere under there is a water meter. They'll find it with a metal detector or something. And I got a pathway cleared to the car, and I got the cars all cleaned off. Turned around, primarily got them turned around because, well, I couldn't see out of the mirrors. Especially, you'll see here, can't see out of that one. Let's see how the driver's side's doing on the Jeep. It's probably the same condition. Yep, same condition. All right. So the snowplow been through, and it cleared out one lane. And you can see where I've used my snowblower here. Cleared out the spoils to my neighbor's driveway, and I cleared out a spot here. That allowed me a place to park the cars while I finished up and did the detail work on the driveway. But when I woke up this morning at 6:15, whatever, it was 6 degrees out here. Move that for a minute. I think I'm done with it. I don't know yet. Anyway, it was 6 balmy degrees. And at 9:30, when I came out here to finish off the area, it was 10. I think it's about 14 or 15 degrees now. In the sun, it's nice. I have worked up quite a sweat. But put the old snowblower away, and see if I can. That must have heated mirrors. That's nice. Now I can see to back the car up. Yeah, it's got to have heated mirrors. Okay, sweet. Learning things about this Mini every day. But the top of it cleared off. I wanted to let the sun do its job, get the rest of this sleet and ice off of here. As you can see, you know, it's glazed up pretty good. And the headlights are glazed over. I'll probably turn them on. Let's turn them on. There we go. Let's see if we can get the ice melted off of that. Anyway, that's gonna do it. Honestly, can't wait for this stuff to melt. It's been a cold few days, and yesterday, waiting for the snow. I mean, just when I came out at 8:15, it was, you know, flurrying a little bit, and then, man, it settled in. It reminded me of snowstorms when I was a kid. But the snow got to blowing around. We had 25-mile-an-hour winds, which put us into blizzard conditions, which is a whiteout. And there were people still driving to go places. It didn't make any sense to me. But anyway, that's going to do it. Thanks for joining me. I will see you later.